Hi, my name is Yvonne and I would like to show you how to create a Bitcoin price checker website which will refresh the current price every 30 seconds, and I will use Microsoft Copilot to create this code. First of all, I'm not a programmer, developer, or software engineer. I'm just a technical writer who is using this artificial intelligence to show you how to create this website. So first of all, go to Copilot Microsoft.com website. It's artificial intelligence companion, and choose a more precise mode. Then you need to provide instructions how to create this website. So I wrote this in the notepad, just a simple instruction. Let me copy it here. So write JS JavaScript code with API to get the latest Bitcoin price. Then add some HTML and CSS and the timer to refresh the price every 30 seconds. Run these instructions and look what will be the response. Sure, here is a simple example of how you could do this. This code uses CoinDesk API to fetch the latest Bitcoin price and updates it every 30 seconds. Okay, so now this is the HTML code. You don't need to understand all this, although if you want, you can read the comments here, like fetch the initial price, then fetch every 30 seconds, interval, whatever. So it creates a simple web page that displays the current Bitcoin price in USD. Okay, so how can we check if it's really this website? We can see this copy button, so we can copy this HTML code that also includes a script in JavaScript. Okay, I click copy. Then I open my favorite editor for code. It's called Visual Studio Code by Microsoft. And here I create a new file. I select text file and then select a language. I type HTML because I know that it's HTML code, and here I just paste this code that I copied previously. Okay, it copied this code exactly as it was here, and now I want to see if it's really working. I have an extension in my Visual Studio Code, which you can see here. It's called Live Server extension. You can install this from search for it in the extension, then click install and it will install. So what does this extension do? You can run any code with this go live button. It starts like a local server and opens this code in your browser. So if I click here on this code, this go live button, it starts immediately on my local machine, on my computer. It's not a web address. And now you can see that it added this background, it added this name, and it also added the current Bitcoin price. And this price will change not every 30 seconds. I admit that this this server, this CoinDesk.com, doesn't provide the price every 30 seconds, but at least every 1 minute it refreshes the price, and you can see that it's working. Now you really see that this site, okay, it works locally on my computer. What if I want to publish it, to deploy it on the internet, so all your friends could see that, or you yourself can check it everywhere, not only on your computer but also from your phone? I suggest that you use Netlify. It's a service uh, to deploy your applications on the web. So you see, I already published some, but I will create a new site and deploy it manually. Yeah, you need to have to be signed in here, and you can do it easily with your email. So when you logged in here, you can deploy manually, and here is the place where you can drag and drop your site. But first, let's save this page. It's untitled now, so I need to save it. Save as. See, it's untitled 1. I need to create a new folder for it. For example, new Bitcoin price checker. Okay, and in here I need to save this file with index HTML name. It's very important that you save the file name as index.html, because otherwise it will not be deployed correctly by Netlify. So I click save, and now I have this new Bitcoin price checker folder with index.html file. Okay, so now I can just drag and drop this folder here. Let me find this. Yeah, here's this new folder. I just drag and drop it here. So it's uploading the files, the folder and the file, and now it's published it here with this funny name. Go to site overview and click this site configuration, and then change site name. And here you can change the name to my Bitcoin, any name that comes to your mind, but it shouldn't be used by other people. So my Bitcoin price checker. When I click save, it's saved it. So now you can get the address here. It adds Netlify app as a domain name. So if you click this, you can see that your website with current Bitcoin price, which is refreshed every minute at least, it's available, and you can copy this and paste it to other people, or you can access it by your phone. It's a website available for everyone on the internet. Thank you.